Probability Part 2. In a given year, 2,023,923 males and 2,143,786 females were born in a certain country. If a child is selected randomly from this group, what is the probability that it is female? The probability is found by dividing the number of outcomes in an event over the total number of outcomes. So here we're looking at the number of males and females born in a certain country. We want to know the probability that the child is female. So our event is the number of females. And our problem tells us there are 2,143,786 females. So this is our numerator of our probability. And the denominator is the total number of males and females. So the denominator is found by adding the number of males, which is 2,023,923, plus the number of females. And when we add these two values together, we get that NS, or the denominator of our probability, is 4,167,709. And we'll place that in the denominator. Now for this problem, we're going to list the probability rounded to the nearest hundredth. So we'll just take our calculator and we'll divide 2,143,786 by 4,167,709. When you do the division on your calculator, you'll get this decimal, but we want to round to 2 decimal places. So we'll look at the value in the third decimal position, which is a 4. Since 4 is less than 5, I'll leave the second number in my decimal as is. So my answer is 0.51. A cookie is selected at random from a basket containing 16 mint cookies, 21 sugar cookies, 11 caramel cookies, and 32 peanut butter cookies. Find the probability that a mint cookie is selected. We'll use the probability formula, and the event in this case is that a mint cookie is selected. So we're going to find the number of mint cookies and divide that by the total number of cookies. And this will be our probability. So the number of mint cookies is 16. That's our numerator. And then our denominator is found by adding up all of the different kinds of cookies because we want to find the total number of cookies. So the denominator is 16 plus 21 plus 11 plus 32. When we add 16 plus 21 plus 11 plus 32 together, we get a value of 80. So our probability becomes 16 over 80. And I'm going to write this as a decimal. When we divide 16 by 80 on the calculator, we'll get a value of 0.2. So our answer is 0.2.